Sa baryong tahimik, umaga'y ligaya, huni ng maya, hatid na biyaya. Sumasayaw ang dahon, dampi ay mahinahon, pusong napagod, biglang umahon. Langhap ng palayan, bangong kay sariwa, sa bawat paghinga, bumalik ang diwa. Higa sa banig, hindi napayapa, tingin sa ulap, isip ay malaya. Tawanan ng tropa, gabi masigla, simpleng dalangin, buhay na maganda.
Tinanong ko kaya nalagi. Ahon pa. Ahon din. Wala na. Simula ng ahon, iniwanan ko na yung bike ko doon sa barangay. Lem, mga Batanggenyo talaga yun. Marami pa doon sa taas, Lanzones naman. Ahon. Tinulo ko to dati. Tinulo ko din pababa. Hindi kaya ng preno. Ayun, San Cristobal, ang ganda. Dati wala to eh. Ano nga, bakod, binakura na. Nakabili na siguro yan. Kanina bibili niyan.
Pag-rambutan ngayon, manguha ka lang daw, sabi ni kuya.
Rambutan time. Dahil kamatis oh. May durian pa. Yung kanina rambutan na pinapakain lang sa ano, sa kabayo. Ayun pa. Saan kaya ang daan na ito? Lahat yata na may ganito. Ako na. Wala. Pero ako na eh.
Sabi ni kuya. Pero maabutan tayo ng 2 days and 30 minutes eh.
Maputik nga lang. May sapa.
Unang sapa. Talaga, ako na tayo.
Monsulta na kami sa drone. Sa DJI Neo kung saan tamang daan.
Niligaw kami. Wala kami sa trail. Pero kung titingnan mo yung trail kanina, dito siya banda pa.
Oo nga, napagpaikot na.
Ikot siya.
Kaso maputik eh, kaya iniwasan ko eh. Nakaalis na yung ano, nag-hiking. Oo, nakalabas na kami. Pauwi na. Sayang di namin nakiat. Naabot yung summit, 200 meters na lang eh. Palagay ko na, dito kami. Eto. Ayan, dyan. Kaunti na lang yan na yung top eh. O, pauwi na. Ganda no? Ayan yung pila oh. Mount Kalisuhan. Ay, Mount Kalisuhan. Mount Atimla. Play ko dito kami natagay. Dito.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take it to your hands, a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters. They're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.